We have completed the rockfall mitigation fence, which creates safe working access for us to start construction on the upstream portal. We are working to establish our access to the portal. To do so, we are building a floating bridge out of barges, and to help us out with that, we have Dixon Marine Services. They have been constructing a almost 400-foot long section of barges that will get us across Goodwin Reservoir. We just set the approach ramp. Now we're going to start setting crane mats across the remainder of the bridge, then connect the final 110 feet of flexi floats, and then we will put the north landing in, and we'll be ready to start excavating our upstream portal. As DrillTech grows, they've acquired a number of great subsidiary companies, one of those being behind us here, Dixon Marine. And it's been real great to work with Dixon Marine and their extraordinary knowledge of all kinds of marine work. This would have been work we would have otherwise had to sub out, but it was great to have their knowledge in-house, and we could perform this work with our great subsidiary company. So as we're working on the establishing access to the upstream portal, at the downstream portal, we have finished constructing the downstream portal and are now in the tunneling phase. So we've mobilized our road header in the tunnel. Every day we are tunneling more and more feet. Being from this area, it's great to see SSJID and OID investing in the longevity of their infrastructure and trusting us at DrillTech to perform this work for them.